Yeah, in this problem, for what value of Vs, maximum power is transferred to load. This problem comes under maximum power transfer theorem. It is a special case because load contain a voltage source. For what value of this Vs, maximum power is transferred to load. But if you observe carefully, this source is not in Thevenin equivalent form. So first replace this with Thevenin equivalent. Open circuit voltage 1 ampere into 100, that is 100 volts. Then when we are finding R Thevenin looking from this, current source is open, this path is open, so R Thevenin is simply 100 ohm, that is series with the voltage source. Now connect the load as it is. This is variable source Vs, 50 ohm, 200 ohm. Now load is connected across these two terminals. As per the maximum power transfer theorem, maximum power is transferred to load if load resistance is equal to source resistance. When source is 100 ohm, load resistance also should be 100 ohm. If this is 100, this is 100, when 100 volts are applied, this voltage divide equally. This voltage of 50 volts, then this voltage also 50 volts. If this voltage is 50, obviously voltage at this node is also 50. Then comfortably we can write nodal equation at this node. Assuming this current is entering, this current leaving, this current leaving. So what is the current entering? 50 by 100. 50 by 100 is the current entering, is equal to sum of the currents leaving. This current is 50 by 200 plus this current is 50 minus Vs by 50 ohm. So one unknown, one equation sufficient to solve for Vs. That's all.